Hey everyone, Alex here with a sample of our full color blocker transfers, and I'm going to show you how you can apply these in a few simple steps. Let's go. Before we press, let's go over the specs on these transfers. To find them, go to Heat Transfers from the home page and search the keyword blocker, or click on Digital Screen Printed Heat Transfers on the left-hand menu and scroll to the formula. Our full color blocker formula is perfect for sublimated surfaces thanks to the added blocker that prevents dye migration. They're printed in CMYK, so you aren't limited by the number of colors in your design. We print them on transparent transfer paper and they can withstand an impressive 75 plus washes. You can view all artwork requirements on each formula's product page, and if needed, we offer artwork services at an extra cost. Now, let's learn how to press these. Set your heat press between 280 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 300 degrees for 100% cotton or cotton poly blends, so I set mine to 325 since the t-shirt I'm using is 100% cotton. You already know our preferred blanks are Super Soft Apparel, and I'm using their premium SU7000T in this video. Make sure to set your pressure to 60 psi on an automatic machine or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine. Press for 12 seconds. Then peel hot when you're ready, and you're done.